All right, so today I'm going to talk to you about online course. Okay, online courses are courses developed online and they are shared online and they are consumed online. Or you can say courses you develop through your computer, they are shared through computer and they are consumed on the computer. So virtually they are digital content. Okay, so for you to develop online courses, there are lots of advantage. As we all know, it's a passive income. That means it's a source of income, can be a source of income that will consistently be generating income to you without you being there. Just take your time to develop a very exceptional content and make it as a course, and it's going to be consistently be driving revenue for you over time and over the years. Okay, so the choice is yours. And to develop an online course, you don't have to have sophisticated technical know-how. You don't have to be a professor or you don't have to be a doctor like myself to be able to talk about or to generate online course. So the whole idea is whatever you have, it's now sellable. It's just for you to be able to package it correctly. Packaging is the most important word. You package it correctly and you can sell it very easily. So in this video, I'm going to share with you my 5-step process to developing an online course, starting from what to teach. Okay, what are you going to teach if you want to teach an online course? Where to find ideas on what to teach people, okay, what is really lacking, and you can come in and bridge the gap. And then I'm going to share with you how to validate your ideas. Okay, it's not enough just for you to have an idea. You've got to do some validation with what's existing in the space, what people have done, so that you don't reinvent the wheel. Okay, so you validate your idea first to understand that what you want to develop, is it going to be marketable? Is it going to be beneficial? Because the key thing is for you to provide value to the people. I'm going to share with you some quick tips about how to do market research about your course. Is it going to be sellable? Okay, is it on demand? Or you're just going to produce something that is not really literally on demand at all? And then lastly, I'm going to share with you where to sell your course. Okay, where to sell your course. I think I have about 5 platforms where I sell my courses, but then I will share with you the 5 of them, but then I will show you the key steps on how to upload your courses and maybe to market them through one or single one of them. When it comes to what to teach, I always advise my clients to start from their passion, okay? What they are passionate about. The basic thing is to start from your passion, what you know how to do the most. Okay, the best thing you know how to do, start from there. There are 2 websites I used to follow to get an idea of what to teach. So the first one, I'm going to take you to my system. The first one is answerthepublic.com. Okay, so you just come to Answer the Public from your browser. You just type answerthepublic.com and it's going to bring you over here. Discover what people are asking about. So you can just go ahead, come over here, you can just type, you can change location where you want to know what people are asking about. You can see different kind of countries, different kind of locations. You can browse and search according to your location. Maybe in my own case, you can search for what people are asking in Nigeria, and you can change the language if you so wish to any language of your choice. If you have local language, you can also check it. And then you can come over here and search. For example, let me find out what people are thinking about affiliate marketing in Nigeria. Affiliate marketing. So let's know what people are thinking, and you can see once you search this, it's going to give you the results down here. So this is the results. Okay, affiliate marketing, what people are thinking, who. Okay, what companies allow affiliate marketing. You can see the results. You can just go ahead and read through, and you will understand the key ideas of what people are thinking about affiliate marketing. Okay, how affiliate marketing earn money. Okay, so you can see the ideas. Where to start affiliate marketing. Okay, where to use affiliate marketing. Is affiliate marketing legit? That's what people are asking. So you'll be able to harness, kind of connect what is happening and the questions people ask around, and then what you want to teach and how they can relate directly. So you can see affiliate marketing without investment. Okay, affiliate marketing without a website, how can you do that? You know, these are things that people are asking consistently and you should be able to from here formulate and dedicate and be able to have an idea of what you are going to teach in the next time you want to teach. So this is the first website. You can do your survey and find out what the public perception is about any topic of your choice. Okay, so the second website is also asked.com. Okay, also asked.com is another fantastic website that can give you an idea. Find the questions people also ask. Okay, enter a question, brand or search query, and you see. Over here also you can change the country. You can change maybe Uganda, or you can change Nigeria, or anywhere. You just find your country or country you are specifically interested in or targeting. You can just find that country, maybe Senegal, and then you can change the language to any language of your choice, and then you can search. Maybe you want to search about blogging. All right, so this is what people are thinking in Nigeria about blogging in general. So you can see it. You can just come down. It gives you the entire tree. Blogging. Okay, how do I start blogging? What blogging means, and then you can see a series of questions. Where are blogs found, and how is content writing done? Things like this. And then how do I start blogging? These are things that can give you an idea. Can I get paid to blog? And how do beginner bloggers make money? These are questions people ask. What is blog example? You can see, how do I write a blog? Who is the most famous blogger? These are direct questions that you can easily find. And what is the purpose of blogging? Okay, so you can see them very specific in nature. What are the disadvantages of blogs? These are things you find very easily people ask. So in terms of generating ideas of what to teach, you can use the public domain, or you can visit some of the most famous course content platforms like Udemy or Skillshare, or in some cases you can go to Teachable, or sometimes you can go to ThinkFic, and you will be able to find courses related to the area that you want to talk about. Then try to find out within the niche, what are people reviewing? What are the people reviews about? What are people saying about those courses? Okay, so what are the areas that are lacking in those courses? What are the things that you think you can bring in or bridge the gap between what is in existence and what you think people need to add up to that particular niche? Okay, so you need to do like a market research about your course. Okay, so this is about what to teach and how to find what to teach from the public domain. You can start from Google. You have an idea, you go to Google, and then you can come specifically to these websites and find an idea of what to teach. Now the next thing is how to validate your idea. Okay, to validate your idea actually is to find out what has been done in that niche or in that particular subject that you want to teach. So you can go to these 5 websites that I have just listed, either Udemy, Skillshare, or you can go to Coursera or Teachable or ThinkFic and find out from the list of courses what has been done and what are people doing this course actually covering, and what are the areas from the review people make that you feel like you can bring in meaning, you can add in more value, you can bring in different perspective to it. Because yes, you might find some courses already taught, but then no one has your perspective. Okay, no one has your story. It's you teaching them. They can get other teachers, but they cannot get you teaching them. Okay, so your perspective is unique, and it's going to be fantastic for you to teach them. All right, so now you have decided on an idea to teach, and you've done your validation of idea validation or content validation online, and you've understood the areas that are lacking and areas that you can contribute better. And the next thing is how to do some market research. So you have to find out, this course that I'm going to teach, is it going to be profitable? Okay, is it something people are looking for? Is it something that people are searching for? People don't know what to do. You can start with the market research by following people who are in that niche. Okay, people who are in that niche, and finding out what are they talking about, and what are some of the references, or what are some of the questions that people ask, maybe from the chats or they are about. You can be able to find out, or you can just put out some questions in your status, maybe in your WhatsApp status or on your YouTube platform, that you want to talk about this course. What are the key things that people may want to learn about, or people are having issues with Okay, so from the bigger picture, people will start giving you an idea of what to narrow down to. Okay, what are they looking out for? So from there, from the level of response of people, you will now be able to quantify how important is it going to be to the people, how valuable is it going to be to the people, and is it going to solve a problem? Because the key thing is, if you provide a content that is going to solve a problem, surely people are going to follow you and people are going to subscribe and buy your course. So market research is very, very important to be able to have a bigger picture of the idea, whether it's going to be sellable or not. If it is going to be sellable, if it's going to be high in demand, then you can focus your energy to develop the content and making sure that you have the gap in mind. So you are bridging the gap of what is needed in that particular niche to make a difference. So the last thing that I'm going to talk to you about is where to sell those courses. So we have different platforms. Once you generate your course, you have recorded the video, you have done it based on chapters or based on classes or based on the syllabus you arranged, and now you have your complete course. The next thing is to sell it to the market. A lot of people are actually suffering because generating or developing the course is not the only thing. The most important thing is how to connect it with the public, how to take it out and get it in front of the right people. Okay, so there are different platforms. One of the key methods that you can follow is to gather as many emails as you can. Maybe if you have a website, you can start notifying people ahead of time that so course is coming out on this date, and people who are interested can put down their emails, and then you can gather the emails, okay, and keep them one side as a source that once the course is ready, you can put up the trailer and start sending it to them. Maybe you can name a price and say the first 50 people can get this price, the next 50 people can get it this price, and the next 50 people can get it this price. It's just a way of marketing yourself. So this is one platform. Use your website and maybe email that you've gathered from people. And the next thing is you can put it on professional sites like seller.com. Okay, Seller is like a digital store that you can store your content. You put down all the courses. So once you want to store on Seller, for example, you can just come to your browser, seller.co, right, and it will bring you over here. I made a complete course about how to put in your content on Seller and how to sell it. So this time around, you can see the best way to sell your digital products online. So once you have your product ready, you can come to Seller, create an account if you don't have one, and start selling. Okay, so log in, because Seller is fantastic. You can see some of the products that I have, and you can just come over here and say add product, and you can see there are different kind of products that you can add on Seller. You can have physical product, digital product, tickets, and you can have subscriptions, service, and course. Okay, so this course is actually a pro version, so it's going to take you about 8,000 naira for you to be able to put in your full course over here and market it using other platforms. So the key thing is, here you have a store. Okay, this is where you store everything, and then later on you can now be, this is just like a landing page. So you can take a flyer or you can make a trailer, and then you can be advertising your course, and then people who click that course will come automatically to Seller as their landing page, and then they watch your course after they check out and buy the course. Or if need be, you can take them to other platforms and maybe download something. I put in the link to the course that I put on how to put digital content generally on Seller. Okay, so if it's a digital content, if it's a course, you can come over here and just click and you start selling immediately. Another website that I actually use the most and which I make my money the most is Skillshare. Okay, Skillshare, you can get to Skillshare by just coming to Skillshare, skillshare.com. You can see it. I'll put the link in the description. If you want to join as a student to learn as many things as you want, you can join from my link to Skillshare. And if you want to learn basic things, anything you want to learn, you can come to Skillshare. These are premium content, so they are well designed, they are well developed. And if you're a teacher, also you can come to Skillshare and teach as a teacher. And I assure you, you make a hell lot of money if you consistently produce content on Skillshare. Okay, so discover lifelong learning materials. You can see different kind of courses professionally done, and you can see practice your hand lettering. Maybe if you are into art and something, what you will discover, you can see explore new skills, deepen existing passion, and get lost in creativity. There are so much things that you can learn. Membership with meaning, learn online learning designed for real life. So if you are a teacher, for example, now that you have developed your course, you want to come to Skillshare and sell it, then you can come as a teacher. Maybe you have registered as a teacher, so you can just come to Skillshare. Okay, so now you want to create a class. Once you register, I'll put my link in the description. So once you register, you can come to teach over here. You can see teach, and then you can just create a class. And this one is virtually very simple. You can create a class, you can say start a class, and you can just go ahead and start uploading your content. So these are, you have to start by uploading your content over here. There are two tabs to pay attention to. The first one is the class detail. You can put in the what language are you using. Are you going to use English? For example, I'm using English, and then you can give the class a title. For example, Microsoft Excel. Okay, Excel tutorial or something like that, and then you can give the description of that course. What will people learn, and what are the steps, or what are the stages, what is that course about, and the benefits. You can give it in the description, and then you can give project description as well. Each class must have something like an assignment or exercise for the students to get engaged. So you have to give that description about the exercise as well over here. And then you can classify the category. What category is your course? Is it business, creativity, lifestyle, technology, or they are about? Let's say technology, and then let's say this is data science, or they are about. And the level, who should attend this course? Is it a beginner? Is it an intermediate person? Or is it an expert? Someone who is an expert in the field, or someone with advanced skills in the field, someone looking for advanced skills in that field. So you can see class skills. So once you fill all these details, indeed you can just come back to video lessons, and you should be able to upload your video lessons from here. So an example is you just click on this and just navigate to wherever you have those videos. For example, so you just click to upload any video. Maybe you have them listed somewhere, you just upload just like that. So this is how to literally you can upload all your courses, and then you submit for review, and Skillshare will review it. If there is anything, they can get back to you, and you start publishing your course. And when premium people watch your course, you get paid per minute. Okay, you get paid per number of hours or minutes people watch in 1 month, and they pay you every 16th of the month. Every 16th of the month, Skillshare will pay you your teacher allowance or revenue. All right, so this is the second one. The third one, this third website where you can sell your content is actually Udemy, or you can go to ThinkFic, or you can go to Teachable and put all your courses, and you start selling them immediately. So this is about making money online using course creation or course content creation. So if you have the time, you have the energy, and you want to invest yourself in this idea, and you have an idea, or you want to think about bringing in something to light, you can start. It doesn't have to be so cumbersome or so big. It can be simple courses teaching simple skills that people can learn and benefit through your course. So thanks for watching, and I hope you have learned something. If you do, please don't hesitate to hit the like and subscribe button to stay connected to this channel for more of our very useful videos like this. And I'll see you in my next video. Bye.